Good afternoon, New Mexico. This is a special weather briefing posted Friday afternoon. We are looking for an abrupt change to a very wet and stormy weather pattern tonight and into Saturday. So what's going on? Well, we are expecting moisture from the remnants of former Hurricane Bud that will be creeping northward into Arizona and New Mexico tonight and into Saturday. And along with that, we've also got a Pacific disturbance aloft that will be moving in from the west-southwest. That'll be moving over New Mexico into Saturday. And so as those features combine and move over the state, it's expected to break out several showers and thunderstorms over the area. Should become fairly scattered to even widespread, with some locally heavy rainfall possible and perhaps even some flash flooding in some localized areas. When will this occur? Well, we are expecting showers and thunderstorms to begin increasing late this afternoon and tonight, and they should become much more widespread going into Saturday. And then areas of precipitation will continue into Saturday night. In the areas that we are looking to be impacted, I think first we'll see these showers and thunderstorms be most concentrated over the southwestern parts of New Mexico. They'll be gradually shifting and spreading northeast tonight and more so into the daytime Saturday. So I think much of New Mexico will observe scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms Saturday. And then as we go into Saturday night, that precipitation will be shifting more, focusing more into the eastern plains of the state and starting to decrease and diminish some into Sunday. So if we just look at the probabilities of precipitation real quickly, the forecast for the rest of Friday, you can see that graphic on the left. That'll get you through 6 p.m., generally isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms, generally favoring the southwestern parts of our forecast area. And then as you go into the Friday night period, the graphic there on the right, we do see much of western New Mexico start to see increasing showers and thunderstorms. So those precipitation chances really start ramping up there, as you can see on the graphic on the right. And as we step forward going into Saturday, the graphic there on the left, that's the probability of precipitation through the daytime hours Saturday. So not everybody is guaranteed rainfall with this event through Saturday, but many areas do have a likely chance of seeing some rainfall. As you look at the graphic on the right, that's the Saturday night period. So we see the focus for showers and storms starting to shift a little bit more to the eastern part of the state. And then as you go towards the morning hours on Sunday, I think things will be diminishing or decreasing in coverage. So how much rain are we expecting? Well, this map represents an average of precipitation over the spatial areas of northern and central New Mexico. And I don't want you to get too hung up on the actual amounts listed here on this map. Again, this is an average. So some places are going to get a little bit higher, some are going to get less. So don't get too hung up on those exact amounts. But the takeaway is that southwestern New Mexico probably favored for the higher rainfall amounts, as is east central New Mexico. Some of those higher amounts listed there on the map. Now, we've seen a lot of wildfires over northern and central New Mexico during the last several years, and this map highlights some of those in a pink or magenta color, and it doesn't show up too well on this map, but the main thing I'm trying to get at here is that we've seen a lot of these wildfires here. They leave behind what we call burn scars, and those burn scars are very susceptible to flash flooding, very susceptible to excessive runoff and even debris flows. That's what we're very concerned about with this hefty rainfall. It's been a long time since we've had really meaningful and measurable or significant rainfall, but if you get too much of it too fast, that's going to be problematic, certainly on these burn scars. So while we're not expecting a real widespread outbreak of severe weather, we could see a few strong to perhaps severe storms that might produce some hail and perhaps even gusty downburst winds. And of course, lightning is also going to be on the uptrend. Now, I know there's going to be a lot of outdoor activities going on this weekend. We just urge everybody, if you start to see thunderstorms build up or hear thunder, please go indoors. And real quickly, here's a timeline of when we are expecting our impacts from this surge of increased moisture. And really, as you see, going into tonight and then right on into Saturday, that's when we're expecting the best opportunity for showers and thunderstorms, that daytime period Saturday and then carrying over into the Saturday evening time frame. So as we go towards Sunday morning, that would be when we're expecting precipitation to generally start shifting east out of New Mexico and starting to decrease in coverage everywhere else. And as always, we urge everybody to check out our website, weather.gov/abq. I cannot possibly cover all of the details with the forecast in this short video briefing, but if you check out our website, you can get the specifics for your local area and see what exactly the weather forecast is through this period. And if you do have any significant rainfall amounts, if you have a rain gauge, feel free to pass those reports along to us. If you do observe any flooding, please pass those reports to us along as well. We would really like to hear about that. So everyone, please stay safe this weekend, and thanks for tuning in.